but I saw a little excerpt that said you'd gotten a lot of criticism. What is that? If you don't mind talking about it, what is that around? How has that impacted
Yeah.
your mindset in this? Yeah.
Yeah, that's interesting that you picked that up. I don't know if I talk about that a lot, but yeah. Um, so I definitely, again, like we said, don't have a ton of confidence in myself, and especially starting out, had a lot of imposter syndrome. And part of me being secretive early on and not wanting to share my successes was knowing that I didn't necessarily always have people in my corner cheering me on. So there have definitely been people who don't really understand. And I mean, to their credit, it's not like I can really explain Salesforce very well to somebody who doesn't even know what a CRM is. So, getting criticism from people who think I'm maybe making a bad decision and going all in on something that they can't even understand, I know that it's coming from a loving place that they care about me,
Mhm, mhm.
but it's still hard when I'm really excited about something and somebody wants to just like be realistic with me.
Right.
Whereas for me personally, I only want cheerleaders. I don't want anyone who's gonna bring me down. Like I know the risks, I know what's happening, but for me, I would rather go all in on something and fail than never try or just kind of half my way through things because then I wouldn't know. Like if I started out on this path and I was maybe studying a couple hours a week for admin, I probably wouldn't have finished admin by now. Like I wanted to give myself every opportunity to succeed. So I went all in and just ignored the people that were telling me not to.